Hey everyone, it's Adele and April from Just Say Scrap with Close to My Heart, and we are here with our 38th Technique Tuesday. So, once again, we are on our last week of our flip-flap installments. I know, maybe we'll do another month if you guys really like them. Not next month, but in the future. So, we are very excited about today's.
Yes, we are.
And today we are doing...
We are making a flip-flap into a shaker card. Yay!
So we are super excited to finally be showing you all this one. I know a lot of people have asked about it in the past, so maybe this will clarify a few things for everybody. All right, ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go.
Okay.
So we are going to be making our shaker card using we have some silver and gold stars. So what we're going to do first is I'm going to take my confetti. And remember, what we're doing is for a shaker card, but you can also use this with like baby hair or teeth or anything like that, and put this on a page as well. So I'm showing you because we're gonna set this up for Throw It Together Thursday. And this doesn't have to be for a shaker card either. These little things are getting all over the place. This doesn't have to only be for a shaker card. You can actually do this if you have confetti or something from maybe a party that you've gone to, something like that, that says like 16, 50, you know, those little things. Congrats, graduation, party. The hardest part is getting all this glitter into the flip flap. And I'm using a 2x2 for this. You can use any size you want, but I thought a 2x2 He's just going all over the place. I thought a 2x2 was the best one to show. So, to do this, you have to make sure that actually all the stuff is down into the, you can see I'm pushing it all down into the flip flap. Because when I put the adhesive inside, I want to make sure that I'm not getting any of this confetti stuck in it. All right, I think I've got everything in there. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to take my nonstick scissor and I'm going to make a small cut. So it's gonna be folded like you normally fold a flip flap, like this, but I'm gonna make a small cut so I can actually put this inside of my flip flap. So I'm doing it, if you can see, I'm actually doing it while it's closed, so I can line it up better. I don't know if it's making sense of what I'm doing, but if you have any questions, let me know. So I folded it and I have to cut it so it gets past those two seams. So then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make sure my confetti is down. I'm going to flip this inside before I pull off the glue because I want to make sure that it actually does what I want it to. See, like that. And then I'm going to pull off the adhesive strip, which is now inside of my flip flap. And I'm going to press it down and seal it shut. And see how I didn't really leave enough room or holes at the edge, so now that glue, I can shake this up. And we have a shaker pocket. This one came out beforehand. Don't worry, that didn't fall out. There you go. And that is Technique Tuesday. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed. And I know I had a lot of fun making this.
I want to play.
So it's really cool because I don't know if you can really see it, but they're not coming out at all.
Nope.
I've been shaking this for a while now.
Yeah.
So if you get it right, I mean, sometimes, you know, sometimes it just practice makes perfect. But
that's right.
If you make sure that you do it how I did it and kind of, because you can see through it, you're lucky with that, and cut it just enough so that glue is perfectly on that end, you'll be fine every time. So, yeah. All right. If you have any more questions, let us know in the comments below or on our Facebook page or anything like that. Make sure you like us, subscribe to us, follow us on Twitter, our blog, Instagram, all that jazz. And thank you to our new followers out there this week. We appreciate you joining our new...
Yes, and I just want to send a special thank you out there to all of our military people. As you know, yesterday was Memorial Day, and we really do appreciate your service. So thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you.
Yes. So, all right. I guess we'll see you on Thursday for Throw It Together Thursday.
Bye. And we are going to be making shaker flip-flops. Shaker flip-flops? That? A shaker flip-flop. Okay. A flip-flop that turns into a shaker card. Woo! No?
I'm seeing like the Olympics medal.
I know.
Okay.
Oh, I'm going to see Mickey ears.
Right.
But wait a minute. What are we doing?